Happy Monday, my friends. Today is Card Making Monday, and we're going to make this cute little darling donkey card today. I used the Mamba cardstock, melon mambo cardstock, the basic white cardstock, this Artistry Bloom for the background, and red foil paper for the background. And I used the Poppy Parade ink and the Flirty Flamingo. And I also used the shaded shaded spruce ink. So, and for my label, I used the Tasteful Label dies. So we're gonna get started here. And I'm first going to crease my card. And I hope you all are having a fantastic Monday. Mine's going pretty smooth. I love it when that happens. I'm going to start by putting on my Artistry Bloom paper, and I'm going to use dimensionals just to lift it up off of, goes like this, the card goes like that. Just to lift it up a little bit off of the cardstock. So I'm going to do that first. I love, love, love this stamp set. I just can't get enough of the donkey. And I'm waiting for my gray Stampin' Blends. I forgot what they're called specifically, but I right now have brown donkey, and I can't wait to start using the gray Stampin' Blends to make a gray donkey, because I am pretty obsessed with it right now. I mean, he's just so cute. So that's what's going on there right now, people. I can't get off this set. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my, actually, you know what? I need to add my stamp. I think I'm going to add my stamp to, I used some of the cute little stamps from our paper pumpkin kit. So I'm going to use those. And I also use Sending Love Your Way is also from the paper pumpkin kit because it's just too cute. So I definitely incorporated some of that into the mix. And also this Poppy Parade red was in there. I just love the paper pumpkin kits. They're so cute. So we're going to put all this together using the paper from the Artistry Bloom suite. I'm all over the place today, but who says you have to keep to one theme, right? One suite. So I'm going to add my stamps. So cute. And I'm going to, let's see. I colored it ahead of time just so you didn't have to sit here and watch me color. Can get a little boring. So now I'm going to stamp my sentiment. Well, we're in the middle of this. Put it right in the middle. There we go. Perfect. Okay. And I use the Tasteful Label die. And I'm going to use my Flirty Flamingo for this one. I love these stamps because you can look right through and see if all of your sentiment is perfectly stamped with the color you want. You can look and see if you've missed a piece or if maybe it got kicked up somewhere. So always kind of take a second to look through your block, look at your stamp after you're done inking, and see if it's exactly the way you want it. So there we go. All right. Perfect. Get the stamps out of the way. And before we move on, also, I'm pretty obsessed with these little daubers, are amazing. And I like to add just a little something around the edge. So I'm going to use the Poppy Parade again. And I'm going to just daub the edges, daub all around the sides here, just to give it a little extra something. I feel like it just kind of completes it. There we go. You could do a lot, you could do a little, you could do more inside if you want, but I'm just going to do the edges. I feel like it just closes up the project and gives it a little extra something. So I want to do that. Just really quick. Okay, so now I'm going to get out my red foil paper, and I'm going to use my Stampin' Seal, and I'm just going to glue it right here, just like this. And we're going to have some sides. You'll see a little border of the foil come out of either side, and it'll look really cute. Just to give it some more layers. Layers are good. When you're making a card and you say, hey, that card looks amazing. What is it? It's layers. Layers and just a hint of different colors popping through. Okay. See if I can get this straight. I've been doing pretty good. Oh. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to use dimensions here and put this on. Dimensionals. Now I made a mistake earlier and I noticed I forgot to put a dimensional in the middle. And do you know what happened? It made my card dent down. So always make sure to put at least one or two in the middle. I mean, it made a really big difference. I was wondering when my card looked a little weird, and that's what it was. So always make sure and get the corners and make sure your middle is just as high as everything else, because it totally made my card look bent in the middle and warped. So, lesson learned. Okay. So now I'm just going to put this in the middle here so that you can see that beautiful Artistry Bloom paper on either side. There, just like that. And now I'm going to use another dimensional, and I'm going to add my little sentiment right here. I love this little donkey. I use my Stampin' Blends. I used the, let me show you. I used the dark soft suede and the light soft suede to shade in my donkey. And then I used the Stampin' Rights, the Granny Apple, to do the rose and, yeah, and the stem. So, and then I also use my little dauber you see down here, and this is the shaded spruce. So I'm going to put this right here, and now I'm going to get these little hearts are from, again, the Paper Pumpkin this month. So I'm just going, and you know what I did here? This is so cool. So I took my shaded, my Stampin' Blend, my dark real red, and I literally just colored it. I wanted some different colors. I wanted pink and red. So I just colored it, and the color totally stays. So that's a little trick. So let me see if this works with this. Nope. All right, these are peel and goes, people. Peel and goes. So gonna just add some cute little hearts on this side of the card. I'm going to put one in each corner here. Oh, let me put that one up here. Here we go. I'll put these little, I have little flowers. I think I'll put those down here like this. So cute. Okay. Yeah, and these are obviously adhesive, and you just have to peel them off. Oh, it's so cute. How cute is this card? I love it. This is the Darling Donkey set. So if you want to see more of these cards being made on our Card Making Monday, please hit the subscribe button. Also, in the description box, I will put all of the dimensions and my website. If you want to talk, excuse me, if you want to make cards or join a card making class, you can also go to my website and hit the Facebook icon. It'll take you to my group, and there's more information there. Thank you for joining me, my friends. I had fun, and I will see you next Monday. Take care.